G'day guys, hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to swap the exhaust or the slip-ons over on the 2020 KTM 390 Adventure. So I've got the Akrapovic slip-on here and all the little bits and bobs. And I'm also going to weigh the Akrapovic and the standard exhaust, see what the difference is there. But the only thing I've found is here we've got 12mm bolt here and 12mm bolt there, so I'm just using a 12mm socket, and the one that Akrapovic give you has got a star thing on there. So luckily I found a drill bit that fits that, so otherwise it would have been buggered. Anyway, let's weigh the Akrapovic first and see how much that weighs. 2.1 kilos for the Akra. Actually, before I do that, let's start her up, see what she sounds like in stock form. Ready to race on an adventure bike. Okay. Pretty average. Alright, now we can get her off. Alright, there we go. Easy as that. 2 bolts. Now let's weigh the thing. 2.8 kilos. 2.8, so we're saving 0.7 of a kilo. Oh well, better than nothing. Collar in here, or whatever you want to call it. Oh. Okay, let's just chuck this in while we can. 2 spaces that came out. Doesn't say to use them, but there's too much of a gap there. That's better. So it looks like you have to use the 2 spaces that was on the stock one. Yes. Let's see if this is the same size. Certainly is. Oh, I need something to hold that back bolt. Alrighty. Easy as that. Alright, time to fire her up. She's all solid, not touching on anything. Nah, all good. Oh, that baffle might have to come out. We'll see. Let's fire her up.